So far, we have created our first Maven project and we understood how the directory structure has been created. Now it's time to build our application. Before building this application, let's understand that what are the steps are involved in the build process. And if you see, our application is app.java and apptest.java is the test case name. Usually in the real-time project, there will be more .java extension files as well as the test cases. Now to build any application, the first step we need to compile the source code. Compiling source code nothing but in our case app.java file is there that we need to convert into the app.class. Similar way we have apptest.java that is also we should convert into the apptest.class. So this is how we need to compile the source code. Once compilation is done, we need to run the test cases because we have created a test cases over here, right? In our case, apptest.class is the test case which we created. We need to run those test cases on application that is app class. Once we run the test cases, we need to create the package out of it. That could be a jar file, EAR file or WAR file. It could be anything. Once we have created a package, even by using Maven, we can able to deploy this application on the target system. Even though it is not a primary responsibility, we can still do that one. Once again, the process involved is we are going to compile our source code like a application as well as the test cases. Once this is done, we need to run our test cases on our code. If it is fine, then we are going to create a jar or EAR files. These are the steps involved to build our application. Now let's go back to our Eclipse. Now I want to build this application. So to build this application is quite simple. That is, select your project, go to right click and run. Okay. While running, it is going to ask you that what do you want me to do? It is a Maven project, so we need to choose the Maven. So Maven build is, in case if you have already run the Maven build, you can go with this one. But if you want to change your goals, you can choose this option. Either way is fine for us because we haven't run any commands or we haven't built this application so far. So let's select the Maven build and here it is asking for the goals. Now let's see what is goals in our next lecture. Thanks for watching and see you there.